Hi, this is Fantic X Temper, and this is what my YouTube video of basically nothing but my avatar burp. You might be able to hear it, but just look. And there's the time. And there's my gamer picture. Whee! If you want to add me, my name is Fantic X Temper. Wah. 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 Oh yeah, and a really good player in Modern Warfare 2 also is this person. He's really good at Modern Warfare 2. Okay, bye. Well, please rate, comment, and subscribe to my burping avatar. And if you ever want to game in Modern Warfare 2 with me, or Shadows X Links, just send us a friend request or a message, or join our party. Bye.